face of the movie back.
Take it back to the fever, swing, getting wrecked on points, swinging them authentic out of slips and joints, making jingle niggas 5-star, both arms dropping, coke dropping, let 100 niggas pause. Sandwiches, garbage bags of hash for every time you pay for time. Now a nigga on smash, gas you out your burner fast, swing down, hit me now, respect, get your fingers off the glass.
I got my Uzi back, you black face of the movie back. I got my Uzi back, you black face of the movie back.
Yo, what the fuck, y'all coming for? Get the fuck away from my door. We got big guns in here, coke over there, with blue bag and E-pill stashed under the chair. Man, sports hard, black and white pant with the pink lips. Still thought he was soft till he bit his fingers. This shit had me dying, yo. Big fat nigga bleeding, big cat nigga all season. On a beach truck, stuck with wine, ice down twice. The whole city thought I bought food with gluten. Authentic doodle, picture the fork, ice down, 18 carats back between noodles.
I got my Uzi back, you black face of the movie back. I got my Uzi back, you black face of the movie back.
Headquarters, full whips is pulled up. I saw Johnny sipping in from my iced out cup. You made my way off the hill. I hear beat drag on the honey dip. And what you talking? You see my gold one sparking. Ain't trying to hear what you thought you walking. Read the headline that was blast on today's post. That kid thought he could ace ghosts. Queen couldn't even jack up. Find him in Doc Lou's back trunk. I'm up in the Moolah Berry, reading Malcolm. Any means necessary.
John McCartney straight up on the ice. So it's like New York, they had that name twice. Name twice, I black out and change the lights. Give me the same advice that I gave my wife. Don't fuck with mine. Plan to get lost in now. Let the smoke cloud clear so the sun can shine. Culture shock. For some of us, that's all we got. Whether you're born or not, you can all be shot.
New York, legendary rhyme boss, code name Charlie Horse, bustin' blind boss. I smash selling and rap for cash credit and check. You crash test, can't measure the threat. I dance on a nigga like my name's Zab Judah. Rap Barracuda, 3XL Kahuna. Sure to get it perking and cause a disturbance. I'm thirsty, feel what I feel that we can merge it. Creeping through the states in V8s and 12s. My weight's out, fuck with me to brace yourself. The local, sir, I'm past vocal. From the blast vocal, so move local.
This is one man talking. Calvin, I'll split your head. And from the east where the streets run red with the bloodshed. Hit shell for the rice and peas. No respect for the eats on with at ease. My brothers can't wait to squeeze the automatic. They need wreck like a drug dealer need an addict. Floating on a 95, sting like a killer bee. Your hands can't hit what your eyes can't see. From dark matter to the big crunch. The vocals came in the box without one punch. Red webs from the swiftly advanced, proved unstoppable. Reputation enhanced since the cause was probable. To compare and contrast, we don't blast to extreme depth. With a pen to hold fast. Watch the block thirst for one became all. Shot it with the long forgotten rainfall. Delivered in a brutal fashion with simplicity. The blind cut there by the authenticity. The rhyme came from the pressure of heat. Then it was laid out on the ground and paved streets.